Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? Mi nombre es Jitin, soy ingeniero y maestro de español. Bienvenidos a mi canal Español con Muchacho Indio. In today's video, we are going to talk about por and para. Por and para being a huge topic, this video will just cover the basics of por and para. I will be making few more videos on por and para, but if you really want to know just the basics, just continue watching this video. So let's start with the usage of para, where you need to use para. So the first usage of para is when you're talking about destination. For example, if I want to say that I'm going to Mexico, I can say yo voy a México. Or I want to say I'm going to the market, so I can say yo voy al mercado. Or if I'm talking in past, I can say yo fui a Colombia. I went to Colombia. If you want to use para over here, so you just need to replace a with para. So I can say I'm going to Mexico. Yo voy para México. Or if I want to say that I'm going to the market, I can say yo voy para el mercado. Or if I'm talking in past, I can say yo fui para Colombia. I went to Colombia. I hope you understand how you can use para for destination. The second usage of para is when you're talking about your goals. For example, yo hago ejercicios para ganar músculos. I do exercise to gain muscles. Another example, yo estoy aprendiendo español para viajar todos los países que hablan español. I'm learning Spanish so that I can travel to all those countries that speak Spanish. Another example, yo estudio mucho para sacar buenas notas. I study a lot to get good marks. So in these examples, we have discussed the usage of para for goals. The third usage of para is for recipients, when you want to talk about people who will be receiving something. For example, estas medicinas son para los enfermos. These medicines are for the patients. These medicines are for the sick people. Another example, este regalo es para mi hermana. This gift is for my sister. Another example, esta camiseta es para mí. This t-shirt is for me. I hope you understand how you can use para for recipients. The fourth usage of para is when you're talking about deadlines. For example, tengo que pagar la factura de electricidad para el lunes. I have to pay the electricity bill by Monday. Another example, Juan tiene que completar su tarea para el sábado. Juan needs to complete his homework by Saturday. Now we are going to discuss when you need to use por. So the first usage of por is when you're talking about a duration. So let's say, yo estudio por 2 horas cada día. I study for 2 hours every day. Another example, but this one is in past tense. Ayer yo estaba cansado porque yo trabajé por 12 horas. Yesterday I was very tired because I worked for 12 hours. The second usage of por is when you're talking about motivation or motive. For example, estaré en Madrid por Navidad. I will be in Madrid for Christmas. Another example, yo trabajo por ti porque quiero cuidarte. I work for you so that I can take care of you. Another example, por su amor a la comida, Daniela aprendió a cocinar. For the love of food, Daniela learned cooking. Third usage of por is when you're talking about exchange. For example, yo te doy $3 por 200 rupias. I give you $3 in exchange of 200 rupees. Another example, Juan vendió su moto por una guitarra. Juan sold his motorcycle for a guitar. The fourth usage of por is when you're talking about measurement. For example, el coche iba 100 kilómetros por hora. The car was going at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Another example. Yo puedo escribir 40 palabras por minuto. I can write 40 words per minute. Another example. Pablo puede tomar 10 botellas de leche por hora. Pablo can drink 10 bottles of milk in an hour. The fifth usage is when you're talking about movement, by or through. For example, Pedro le gusta caminar por la playa. Pedro likes to walk on the beach. Another example, yo llego a mi oficina caminando por el parque. I reach my office walking through the park. Another example, el ladrón entró la casa por la ventana. The thief entered the house through the window. Another example, yo voy a Perú por los Estados Unidos. I'm going to Peru through the United States of America. So the sixth usage of por is for medium. For example, yo estoy hablando con mi jefe por el teléfono. I'm speaking to my boss over the phone. Another example, María envió sus documentos por el correo electrónico. Maria sent her documents through email. Another example, vamos a tener una reunión por el Skype. We are going to have a meeting over Skype. I hope this basic video on por and para will help you build up your confidence on using por and para. If you learned something out of this video, just hit the like button. If you have any words of appreciation for me, just comment them below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Till the next video, hasta luego, ciao.